The sun had gone down, and the forest was calm and still. A little bear was tired after spending the whole day playing among the trees and streams. The bear decided it was time to go home. Slowly, it walked through the soft grass and fallen leaves toward its cozy cave under a big old tree. The cave was warm and safe. Inside, there was a bed made of soft moss and dry leaves. The little bear liked its home very much. As the bear got ready to sleep, it heard a quiet sound outside. Curious, the bear looked out and saw a small bird sitting alone on a branch. The bird looked cold and scared because the night was chilly. Without thinking twice, the little bear opened the cave door wide and gently said, "Come in. You can rest here with me." The little bird flew inside and nestled close to the bear. Now, both the bear and the bird were warm and safe. The bear felt happy to share its home. It was nice to have a friend to keep company. The forest was peaceful, and the night was quiet. Slowly, the bear and the bird closed their eyes. They dreamed of bright sunshine, green trees, and fun days ahead. The little bear and the bird were both happy and slept peacefully together.